And that's it. All you have to have is a little patience and you can have free seed for life. Our beet was a biennial and all it took was patience. And now we're going to have free seed. Same thing with our carrots. We overwintered them. We let them bolt. They flowered. They've been pollinated. We've let them dry. It's time to harvest. Now we've been waiting for this. We've been waiting to harvest these. And then we're going to go ahead and clean out this bed. And we're going to go ahead and replant some of these. But it's pretty simple. I just take them over a bucket and just cut those seed heads, let them drop in there. Since I'm not selling seed, I don't care if there's a little trash in there. When we plant it back, it's just part of the deep mulch, just part of the organics. We'll go ahead, and when it's not so hot out, we'll crush these down, maybe take some of the trash out, but then you can store them in a plastic bag. Obviously, as they've been drying, they've been dropping seeds. So anything that actually misses the bucket, that's just part of our reseeding program. And the more you let go to seed, the more seed you have for free. You can also share them with your friends at seed exchanges. It's a great way to save some money. I'm going to use a little bigger tub for these. And we will have a way to process these. Now these have reseeded quite a bit out here in the garden, so we're not going to go ahead and plant any here, but I may plant some in that raised bed once it's completely cleaned up. We'll do that this weekend. You can see right here, we've got a carrot that just came up on its own when we did this last year. Well, I think this reseeded quite a bit. There are no seeds left on that one. But that just becomes part of the mulch. That's a pretty good beet harvest right there. Now right here is one of our brassicas that have gone to seed. And these little seed pods, we're going to process them the same way. Your broccoli, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll process these seeds and we'll have extra brassica seeds. We also have some lettuce out here that has gone to seed. These little fluff balls, we like to let those just reseed in the whole area. And that way we'll have fall lettuce coming up here. So yeah, this whole stalk is full of little seed pods, and they haven't broken all the way open, so we got plenty of seeds. But we also have plenty of reseeded right here. And over the seeds, you just rub your hands together. And that might even be too much to handle at once. We got the... You can just keep breaking it down into smaller and smaller pieces so it's easiest to handle. You don't have to rub real hard, and you want to put the date on here so you know when you harvested it. There's nothing worse than grabbing up two seeds that look exactly alike and not really knowing what you're planting. I've never done that before. Yes, I have. All we're wanting to do right now is just get the seed pods off, and then we'll break them up. Most of these pods are pretty clean. You know, I keep saying the hardest work you ever do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. And it's been 105 heat index for the last couple days. The mulch is keeping the roots nice and cool. And the tomatoes have been coming on really well. But nothing like the cucumbers. Check this out. We already came through this morning and harvested. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll be ready again in the morning. And I told you the okra was going to start coming on every day. And we're getting 1 or 2 off of each one of these plants almost every day now. Well, I need to go get a basket or something. This one's starting to get yellow. The one behind there is still green. And this one's got a ways to grow. These trombones are just amazing. Well, I need to get a basket or something and get something cool to drink, let it kind of cool off a little bit. So like I said, the hardest work you ever do in a deep mulch garden is harvest, whether you're harvesting seeds or you're starting to come out and bring in vegetables. Part of the problem is it's 105 degrees out here right now. I'm gonna let the sun go down just a little bit more. We'll come out with the basket and get those cucumbers. Then we'll start again tomorrow. I hope you join me for that. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.